Good morning everyone. This is Devi from Little Hearts Publication, and this is continuation of class 4 science third lesson, care and protection of animals and plants, or plants and animals. So in the previous classes we discussed till protection of plants from bad weather, and we are going to continue the next topic, that is care and protection of forests. Why should we care and protect forests? As we get many things from forest, these forests are known as wealth of nation. Wealth of nation. So, what are the things which we get from forest? We get many things as we get from plants: fruits, vegetables, medicines, gums, paper, liquids from trees. And also they are homes for many animals and plants. Homes for many animals and plants. Okay. And in some countries, as they are cutting down this forest, which is known as a deforestation. So what is deforestation? Cut down of trees or forest is known as deforestation. So why this deforestation is taking place in some countries? To construct buildings, for construction of industries, etc. So with this reason they are going on cutting down the trees to make open land for construction of buildings or malls, whatever it may be, and also for industries. So because of this reason, what's going on, what is happening? As trees are cut down, automatically what do we get? This floods occur, and also soil erosion occur. If floods and soil erosion occurs, the top layer or the top soil will be washed away, which is very fertile and which helps the plants to grow very healthy. Once this top layer is removed, the fertile soil goes and settles somewhere in other place, which is not useful for anyone. And also this deforestation leads to the ecological imbalance. So what is ecological imbalance? Here the same. Soil erosion, top layer is going on, plants will not grow, the land becomes barren here. Barren means it is not useful. Without fertile soil, it becomes barren. So in this way, there is no use of that particular area. Yes. And because of this deforestation, the soil becomes loose. Okay. And landslides takes place. What is landslide? As the soil becomes loose, when it rains heavily, the soil flows along with the rainwater and moves from one place to another place. One place to another place. Soil moves from one place to another place. And this also causes drying of the land, drying of soil. Okay, these are the reasons if the forests are not protected properly. And why should we care for them taken we are going to learn in the next topic. How to protect the forest. What should be done? So, to protect the forest, we should not cut down trees. Okay? Not cut down trees. And also, we should plant more trees. Plant more trees. So, planting more trees is called as reforestation or afforestation. Afforestation. So, and we should also protect the forest if in case if it caught fire. Okay? Protect when caught fire. Okay. And in the forest area, there are some places in which a lot of trees of same varieties grow in a particular area. So what should be done? Not only forests or in crops or fields, whatever it may be, we should spray some chemicals. Spray some chemicals like fertilizers to grow or pesticides to kill pests or insects. In this way we can protect the forest. Yes. And next topic is care and protection of animals.